Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading BKS. So today is 21st of February 2022. Before we start, don't forget support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today we see the rebound of the property. Property very strong. Luckily, last week we managed to catch a few property stock. Okay, so we want to talk about it today, and but KLCI not doing well. KLCI big drop. The only big gain, the only positive one is the property. As I said, KLCI drop, your sector up, still okay. KLCI up, your sector up, very good. KLCI up, KLCI drop, your sector up, still okay. KLCI drop, your sector drop, no good, right? Okay, before we start, don't forget to check out my Facebook, Trading BKS, Twitter, Trading BKS, coffee.com. Want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com, k-fi.com, Trading BKS. Okay, so let's check out the introduction before we dive into the chart. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the market. KLCI big drop today as expected. Okay, we already saw this one. No more energy here. 1006 is a very big resistance over here. So it tried to go through, but it came back down. So it's a false break. So expect a drop. So those stock that you don't feel comfortable, you buy in, no performance. Okay, and it's not a recovery stock that we think that, okay, like the bank, all those, right, long-term recovery stock. Genting, long-term recovery stock you still can hold, but those stock that you buy just to have to hold 1 week, 2 weeks, right? Those are possible. If not making any progress, possible let it go first because market is going to drop. Okay. So today we see a big gain on the property Before that, we want to check out sentiment 33. Okay, BURSA sentiment 33, gainers 306, losers 26626. Where market very bad. 2.121 billion. Wow, volume quite big. All the throw volume, not the buy volume, right? Okay, so possible. So 18.62 big drop. 1.16%, 1584.4. Okay, so morning open straight away drop, push back a bit. Maybe this morning open, all the retailer already throw. Then maybe some organization come in, try to buy it a bit, but still. At the end of the day, still drop. Consumer drop 0.62, industry big drop 1.78, right? Remember, we checked out the big picture last week, right? The big picture, remember, we want to see what is the trading idea, right? What is the investment idea for this week? At least we take a binocular view of the road ahead, see whether close is clear or having a thunderstorm or having a landslide. Okay, so we don't want to go to the road that got landslide. Go to the sector that got landslide. Okay, so we really saw this industry, right? I really said that industry really hit the top of the channel already, so very high probability it's going to drop. Okay, so now it started to drop. Okay, so construction up 0.59. I said construction is one of the sector, right? Possible market want to pump up, right? Actually, they pump property first, same property construction related, but today they pump property first. Luckily, we also managed to catch ECOWLD and SPSETIA last week, right? So technology continued big drop expected. Finance up drop 0.04. Plantation big drop. Okay, that's what I said last week. Possible, right? We look at the Saturday. We look at the big picture also, right? Property plantation hold until big drop, right? So now possible the big drop really happen. See end of today morning we cannot conclude first. See in the evening what happened. If evening all the plantation stock show very weak, very turnaround sign, right? Then evening we'll talk about it. But morning we want to talk about this one first. Property. Okay, REET drop 0.09, energy drop 0.32, expected healthcare drop 0.32, telecommunication drop 0.36, transportation drop 0.52, utility drop, all drop utility drop 0.15. So all drop. So so let's check out, except this one, construction and property. Okay. So let's check out the top gainers. Okay, this one Ajinomoto quite good. Let me see. MSC. Wow, today big gain. MSC. Maybe take a look at MSC lah. MSC. AJI. Volume very small. This one we cannot see volume. MSC want to take a look. Encom want to take a look. Encom take a look. MPI got small rebound. Bonia too late to chase. Bonia cannot chase. Maybank also got. Today SPSETIA big spike. 7.6% up. This one not. This Mentiga. This one too volatile to trade. Too volatile to invest. Galong this is plantation. Gamuda up a bit. Maybe take a look at Gamuda. Wow, today a lot of stock. Gamuda. Take a look. Gamuda got volume or not? Let me see. Got volume. IOIPG plantation already talked last week. Still up. Some of the plantation still up. Heng Yuan. Hong Seng got some volume. But Hong Seng not yet. In the evening, maybe want to take a look. No breakout yet. No breakout yet. Hong Seng. Agenda want to take a look. Okay, take a look. Property Property looks like brewing. Okay, power, take a look. Still flying. ECOWLD, take a look. Padini. Okay, take a look. Okay, so these are the one. Okay, so we take a quick look. SPSETIA. SPSETIA. Last week we talked about SPSETIA, right? SPSETIA. I talked about it. Friday we talked about it. Friday talked about it already. Today already fly. And ECOWLD, I think previous few days ahead. I think one week ago I talked about ECOWLD. So SPSETIA. Okay, SPSETIA managed to pick 1.3. Remember the push around here. We say this one can try already. So the price really go up. Continue the whole possible top channel. Okay. See 1.45, what happened? If we can go through 1.45, we hold until 1.59, the top channel. Okay, look at 1.45 first. So very good. SIMB property also. SIMB property, right? Double bottom. Did a double bottom. So after it breaks through 0.635, this one got chance. But I would prefer SIMB SPSETIA, but this one still okay. Once you break this one, right? Look at here, look at 0.75. Public bank gives 0.79. Around here, target. Okay, target around here, but here there's one resistance over here. You want to look out here, 0.7. Okay, if it goes through 0.7, then you look at 0.76. IOIPG also double bottom. Double bottom looks like trying to go up, but this one I will not go in first. Probably I'm not. I will. Let me see. Possible you want to pick bottom here. This one maybe 2 entry. Okay, first entry 1.12, second entry 1.18. You need to, the big one is 1.18, more confident. This one is just pick little bit bottom, try and see. But the big one is 1.18. KP property already divergence here. Already divergence here. Looks like it's trying to rebound also. KP property trying to rebound, but KP property you want to pick bottom first you need to go through this one, 7.67. Okay, maybe you pick a bit, then go through 0.71, you add. Okay, then look at this target here, 0.78, 0.85, and possible. Okay, 0.955. Okay, so ECOWLD. Okay, ECOWLD we pick here, right? 0.9110. So the price continue to go up. So this one most likely target, almost hit the target right here. Let me see. There's a channel or not? I think possible there's a channel over here. There's a channel. I think ECOWLD almost hit top channel already. Now coming back down. This one. See what happened. Maybe you want to take profit already. This one. Maybe you want to take profit. See what happened today. At global. Okay, see what happened today. Lagenda not so good. Trying to rebound. It's trying to go back inside here. Okay, can play, but not as good lah. Not as good lah. Not as good lah. The one that better to play one maybe I think SPSETIA IOI SIMB ECOWLD. These are the, I think these are the LBS lah. These are the one that I would prefer to play lah. Okay, Legenda okay lah, I can try lah. Legenda. If it goes through, hold above this one, can try. Hold above 1.5, can try 1.66 and target 1.66 and 1.78. Okay. LBS. Okay, LBS LBS. This one probably it's a better one, LBS, because of the history lah. They are doing well lah. Their account their P&L also doing quite well, you know. Okay, so this one, right, is a rebound from bottom channel. Okay, so this one is a good one. RSI go through 50. So this one is a rebound. Let me check the RSI, SPSETIA, all this. Maybe all this, right? SPSETIA, all this in the short term, maybe you want to take profit. See few more days, see how. See 1-2 days, see how. Okay, this one, no. LBS, yeah, can try. LBS. Okay, LBS also good. Okay, LBS also good. So pick here 0.5. Okay, 0.5 first pick. Then maybe you want to add. Let's see. Do we want to add this one? No add, because this one pick one time only because it's a rebound from bottom channel. Okay, we go all in here. So this one look at 0.63. Okay, F give here, public bank give 0.69. So possible look at top channel. Look at top channel 0.63 to. So share this with your friend. If this one really can fly, don't miss out. Okay. Marsing trying to rebound. Marsing trying to rebound. Got a small breakup, but Marsing I'm not very keen. Just tell you first. Those who really got stuck with Marsing, a lot of people stuck with Marsing. So this one maybe is a chance to run. Chance to buy in, I'm not so keen, but chance to run probably. Hey, look at Gamuda. Today Gamuda also got some energy. Okay, Gamuda trying to rebound. What project? I think they're getting project. Right, what project they're doing? Is it an MRT project? Okay. So let's take a quick look at Gamuda. Trying to rebound here. Big resistance over here. Okay, stop loss 2.78. Kenanga, okay, not bad. All this target is above Maybank. So watch 3.2 first target. Watch here first. Gamuda. Once you go through this one, right? Once you go to 2.97, right? You stay above 2.97, can watch 3.25 Gamuda. K-Power. Wow, today a lot of stock to talk about. K-Power scary lah. You can try play a little bit lah. K-Power lah, but K Power is very scary. You want to go, most people lose money play K Power because of here, right? So want to earn back the money, very risky, very risky. So K Power trying to recover. Okay. I'm not too keen to play lah. No doubt it's going up lah. I would probably play the property rather than play K Power lah. But possible if you can stay above 0.625, you can try lah. You can try if you can stay above 0.625. It goes above 0.625 and stay above 0.625. Maybe you can try to slowly add up. Slowly buy up until 0.97. I think around here lah. But it's very risky. Very high risk one. Now any company related to the server dynamic one is very risky. Very risky. MSC. Okay, MSC fly again, but now better not go in. Already chasing high already. Better not go in now. Too late already. Encom breakthrough. We talk about Encom, maybe take profit already, then it broke through. Suddenly it broke through. So this one, you really take profit already. It's okay. You can, if tonight it must tonight. Now we can't say first. If tonight it can hold about 3.595, maybe okay. The profit really take profit. The profit we put in, we can try to chase. But now I'm not saying it guarantee it will go up. You see now already start to sell down already. This one still got danger. Income and Padini also doing well. Padini. Okay, Padini, okay, that day we talk about here, right? 0.3 can try, but a lot of resistance over here, Padini. Continue to hold first, see what happens. Continue to hold, see what happens. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Hopefully, our property stock keep on going up. So see you again in the evening. Bye-bye.